Hi, boys and girls. For this Pig the Elf activity, you are going to practice finding the mistakes in a sentence. Can you be an expert? I need your help. We need to read this sentence and then fix the mistakes so that we can make it into a fabulous sentence. So the first thing you're going to do is write your name. Then we're going to read the sentence. Pig the elf wants more toys. Pig the elf wants more toys. Oh no, I see some uh-ohs. This is not a fabulous sentence. Do you know why? A fabulous sentence has a capital letter at the beginning. Is this a capital letter? That's right. It's not a capital letter. So I'm going to come down here on the lines and I'm going to make an uppercase P. I'm going to fix that mistake and write the word pig with a capital P down here. What else does this fabulous sentence need? Your job is to check to see if this sentence has a capital letter, finger spaces, and punctuation at the end. Do you see uppercase letters? Do you see power words spelled the wrong way? I can't wait to see if you can find all the mistakes. So number 1, read the sentence. Number 2, you're going to write the sentence the right way down here. And number 3, then you're going to draw a picture to match. I can't wait to see you be an expert. Have fun!